Hoş geldiniz. Today I am making Alı Nazık. Alı Nazık is a delicious Turkish dish with roasted eggplant, garlic yogurt, tender succulent lamb. So good, so delicious. And I'll show you just how simple it is to make in your home kitchen. Afiyet olsun. Okay, so to make our Alı Nazık, first and foremost, I'm going to start by sautéing my lamb. And to do that, I have a wok here. I'm just going to take my lamb. I'm using ground red meat here. And I'm just going to press it through evenly. And place it right on my stove. A little bit. And then in the meantime, I'm going to start preparing my eggplant garlic yogurt. So what I did is I roasted my eggplant and I pulled off the skin and then cut it into bite-sized pieces. And then I also have here some crushed garlic that I really smashed, and I find that it really absorbs better into the yogurt that way. It's really much more absorbent. So what I'm going to do is I have some fake yogurt here. I'm going to take that and place it in my bowl. Actually, it'll help me out here. And then I'm going to add in my garlic. And I'm going to go ahead and give that a nice mix together. So in many ways, this is kind of similar to making baba ganoush. If you haven't seen that video for how to make baba ganoush, definitely check it out. I've made a video on that. And it's so good and it's so yummy and it's vegetarian and it's really delicious. But this is even more delicious because there's meat on top. Traditionally lamb meat on top. It's so good. Alright, that looks great. So now I'm going to add in some of my roasted eggplants. So I'm just going to take it. And I'm trying not to, if there's any excess liquid that's built up in your bowl, try to make sure that it doesn't get in there. We really want this to be a nice, thick mixture, not so loose. So that is also the importance of using a nice, thick yogurt. That looks great. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside for a moment. Check on my lamb. That's looking good so far. And now I'm going to season up my eggplant yogurt mixture. I'm just going to put in a little bit of salt. And then also I have some oregano. And just give it a quick stir. And I find it just adds a nice flavor element so that each layer is flavored and delicious. That looks so good. Okay, so now I'm going to continue to let my lamb cook. I'm going to add in my onions and my seasonings and some tomato paste. And then it'll be time for this to cook all together. Finish off our Alı Nazık. So good. Okay, so my lamb is just finishing up cooking here, and that looks so good. So basically, what I did is, since the lamb was partially brown, I added in my minced onion, and then I also added in some tomato paste, and then all of my herbs. So for my herbs, I used some paprika, some red pepper flakes, some oregano, some salt and black pepper, and then I just let it cook nicely together. As you can see, it looks so good. Yeah. So okay. So now all of the layers for our Alı Nazık are done. Let's try to put it all together. So I have my nice little pan here. So I'm just going to take my delicious yogurt and eggplant mixture. Scrape all of the deliciousness from this bowl. I love this dessert. And oftentimes, sometimes it's even prepared with kebab, like an actual grilled meat. But I really like this version because it's quite quick, quite easy, quite tasty. So, it's a win-win-win situation. Okay, so now I have my yogurt and eggplant mixture. So now I'm just going to take my delicious, yummy, tender lamb. Place it right in the middle. My yogurt and eggplant. Oh, it looks so good. It smells so good in my kitchen right now. And talk about like a quick meal. This is something that you can totally whip up on a weeknight or when you're having guests over last minute. It sounds fancy and it tastes fancy. So it's a really delicious dish. Beautiful. Check that out. So now what I'm going to do is use a little bit of olive oil. Just sides here. And then take a little bit of red pepper flakes spice, but I don't use too much because I also can't handle something too spicy. And then I have some chopped parsley, so I'm just going to sprinkle it right over. Oh, that's so beautiful. This dish, I mean, since we eat with our eyes first, it makes you want to eat it as well with your taste buds. And our beautiful, delicious, homemade Alı Nazık. Beautiful. So, thank you so much for checking out this video on how to make Alı Nazık. I hope that you enjoyed it. And I hope that you go to try for yourself in your home kitchen and bring a little taste of Turkey to your home. And until the next video,